Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so very much for joining me. Today I have an amazing pair of paper pads from the Not2Shabby Shop. It's Not2ShabbyShop.com. I was asked to be a guest designer, so I was sent this paper, but I knew that if Teresa and Jamie were talking to me about red, white, and blue, it was going to be good paper. This is amazing. The main pad with the bigger patterns is called Patriotic Waves, and I've used a bunch of it, and I've also messed it up so the cover fell off. It's amazing. Florals and really neat kind of younger sassy images that you don't see as much, like taking pictures of your dog with a cell phone, and just really fun stuff. I love it. Patriotic, but I mean, look at this. So cute, really fun. And then along with it, you have Yay for Red, White, and Blue, which of course I've picked through, right? But you'll see them. And so it has polka dots and stars and plaids and gingham, all sorts of corresponding papers for your pads. I did make a process video, and if I get it edited in a timely manner, it'll come out next week. So I'm not going to go into too much detail about my logic on these cards or what I was doing. Just show you how they turned out. I did put some bling on them after the process video stopped. Look at this little guy. He is too cute. And then I have some stars on here and 3 layers of paper just right here alone. These are just wonderful, and they have just a bit of sheen, really nice papers to work with. I had trouble choosing my papers and which side to use because I was having so much fun. And I did fussy cut the dogs and flowers that you see out of the pad, but there's an ephemera pack. So if you pick up these papers, be sure to get that. This one is a happy birthday, and these are all puffed up. And I did bring in this white paper on my own, but I'm sure white and blue paper, that's not that exciting, right? Then look at this one. I think this one, I don't know. Maybe this one's my favorite. I really like the floral too. This paper with the bits of stars here and there is fun. And then I just brought in a die cut, thanks. These dogs, I just love them. You know, some things to me aren't worth it to fussy cut, but these dogs and flowers just really were. I love them. And there are a lot more dogs and flowers. There were 4 sheets of each in this pad, and the dogs and flowers are on this one. So I have more to cut. I wasn't sure how excited I was going to be using them. And then the more I used them, the more I thought I should have just cut all 4 sheets from the beginning. But the light blue is on the back. These are my 5 cards. If you are interested in the paper pad club for Not Too Shabby, be sure to check this out. It's Not2ShabbyShop.com, and you can sign up for the paper pad subscription. It's monthly. You get 2 pads and a bit of sweetness for you in your craft room. You need a little candy now and then. There's almost always ephemera to go with the collections too. Last year's Red, White, and Blue from Not Too Shabby had dogs in it too, but different dogs. I'm loving that theme. Thank you so much, Jamie, for including me in this. And everybody be sure to check out Not2ShabbyShop.com. Thanks so much for watching. And like I said, I have a process video hopefully next week. Bye-bye.